I'm Dr. Zian from Planet R on a secret mission of spying on humans. Earth is good because of my silly human Alice. Earth is also good because of all the handsome guys. But Earth is even better because of food. Na 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 na. Ow! Dinner time, my favorite time of the day. I would do anything to get a snack.
Yeah. Oh, look at this.
Irish Wolfhound.
This is cute. 5 months?
I don't think she needs more clothes. Already has a lot. I think our little girl wants some snacks.
Oh, Marmar, you know me so well.
Natural added vitamin. Something like that. You like this stuff? Okay. Am I right, Mimi?
Yes, that's right. Hello? Yes, can I have a beef burrito? No rice, no beans, no lettuce. Oh, and no wrap.
Delivery for Miss Jen.
Shit. How do I open the door?